with early stage investment in clean technologies exceeding $50 billion for each of the past 3 years, up from $17 billion in 2020. And now even states are looking to help grow climate tech. Massachusetts, for instance, has won its own climate conference starting in June. Here to discuss it with us is Governor Maura Healey. Governor, it's great to see you today. You know, it's interesting because when we talk about a climate conference, you can find one nearly every day of the year. So what makes this one so important for the future of Massachusetts?
Well, Contessa, thank you for having me on, and happy Earth Day, Earth Week. This is really unique. What we're doing hasn't been done before. This is a conference that we hope to be able to have annually, but it's a conference that's going to bring together the best thinkers, leaders, business people when it comes to climate tech, when it comes to the technology that's going to help us decarbonize our buildings, transportation, manufacturing, and also help us with the solutions, resiliency, and the like that will help mitigate against some of the effects of climate change. So it's unique in that we're bringing together researchers, scientists, business people, entrepreneurs, investors. I'll say that Massachusetts is #1 when it comes to venture capital per capita. And what we're seeing in Massachusetts is there's incredible interest and investment here in climate technology. And so we're going to show that off in June. And my aim really is to make sure that Massachusetts become the global hub for climate technology.
And that, of course, would mean a boon to the local economy as well, with jobs and things like that. Here's venture capitalist John Doerr, who is part of Speed and Scale. That's a climate action platform, who says, look, yes, we need to get things done in the long run, but we need to do it actually quickly, and we can do it quickly. But the laggards in this space where we're not meeting our timely goals are heavy industry, the food industry as a whole, and carbon removal. Are those issues that are important to you as the governor of Massachusetts? Are those things that you think if you can convene all these stakeholders, you can bypass bureaucracy?
Absolutely. I completely agree with him. And this is about using technology to really help us leapfrog with some of the innovations that we need. I mean, we have these climate goals out there in terms of, all states in this country. In fact, we have goals around reducing carbon emissions. But at the end of the day, those just become goals unless you have a way to actually operationalize things. And that's what this is about. We're home here in Massachusetts to some of the greatest R&D and innovation, and also entrepreneurs who are pioneering new ways to bring technology to bear to mitigate climate change in the very ways that you and the commenter was speaking of. And so that's why this is so important. Not only is it important for addressing climate change, there's also a huge upside in terms of investment and economic growth for our region in particular if we do this right. And so that's what I'm hoping to land here, really, create an ecosystem where we become the hub for global innovation when it comes to climate technology.